Mastering decision-making. Understanding, make up one's mind. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common but powerful phrase in the English language. Make up one's mind. Whether you're a beginner or advancing in your English learning journey, understanding such phrases can significantly boost your fluency. So, let's explore what it means to make up one's mind, how to use it, and look at some examples to help you master it. Make up one's mind refers to the process of deciding between two or more options. It's about reaching a conclusion after considering all the possibilities. When someone says they need to make up their mind, they're saying they need to choose what to do, think, or believe among different alternatives. Using make up one's mind is straightforward. It can be used in both everyday conversation and formal communication. Here's the structure to keep in mind. Affirmative: I finally made up my mind about where to go on vacation. Negative: he can't make up his mind about which job offer to accept. Questions: have you made up your mind about the movie tonight? Remember, it often involves a personal decision-making process, reflecting an individual's choice. Let's put make up one's mind into action with some examples. 1. After much thought, she made up her mind to start her own business. 2. Why is it so hard for you to make up your mind about where to eat? 3. He made up his mind quickly, showing his decisiveness. These sentences show how the phrase can be adapted to various situations, indicating a final decision has been made. Don't confuse it with simply changing one's mind, which implies a decision was already made but then reconsidered. Avoid using it in contexts where no decision or choice is involved. It specifically relates to the decision-making process. Understanding and using phrases like make up one's mind can significantly enhance your English communication skills. It's all about practice and application. So, next time you're faced with a decision, think about how you can describe the process in English using what we've learned today. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you feel more confident in your English language journey.